pretty even beginning toward the outside. Seminole Bye Bye comes up to grab a narrow lead. Dash and Buds is also there toward the inside. And between them, it's Bye Bye Boogie Shoe. They're racing up to the finish now, and it looks like it's going to be a pretty clear win for Seminole Bye Bye. 3/4 of a length over Mr. Strink and Slinky, Dash and Buds. Kitty Cat Warrior on the outside.